Hi everyone, my name is Meagan Kong. Today's workout is inspired by Yogi Sweet Tangerine Positive Energy Tea. We're taking the next 15 minutes to wake you all the way up and put a smile on your face that you'll feel from head to toe. Let's do this. This session is presented by Yogi. All right, let's take a moment to warm up each part of the body, starting with the shoulders. You're gonna roll them back. Here we go. Nice big shoulders. Make circles, not ovals. All right, let's bring it forward. Okay, move your head side to side. Here we go. Side, side. Good. Try to hold the rest of your body still. Engage the core starting now. Now up and down. Here we go. Good. A couple more. Nice. Let's reach to the sky. Starting to warm the sides up. Can you reach higher? Good. Side to side. Warming the sides up. Can you reach a little further? Stretch it side. Breathe into that side body. Good. Center and roll it up. Other side. Nice. To the center. Roll it up. Reach to the sky. Grand plie. Hold it here. Warm those legs up and stretch it down. Dip one shoulder down if you want to. Inhale, exhale, other side. Good. Let's hit the inner thigh. Choose one leg. Put your feet to the back wall. Feel that inner thigh stretch. Nice. Other side. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Leg swing. Let's start to work on that balance. Engage the core. Swing it front and back. Nice. Other side. Press into that supporting leg. Ooh, hold the core. Nice. Ankles go. We're going to do a lot of little jumping and little tiny steps, so it's good to give some love to the ankles and the calves. Other side. All right, I feel good. I hope you do too. So let's get this started. We're marching out here. This is home base. If it ever gets to be too much, come here. Otherwise, don't worry about getting all the steps. It's all about creating positive energy. Let's start out with a grapevine. It's 3 steps to the side. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and clap. Ha! Nice. Hey. Give me more. Ha! Hey. 2 more. All right, we're gonna have a new move come now. It's called the slide and pump. Slide, pump, pump. Double pump. Lift it up, lift that energy up. Ha, ha. Hey, ha. Hey, raise it up. 2 more. All right, here comes a new move. Grab and sit, grab, sit. Good. What are you grabbing today? Get those goals, get that energy. Give me more. Hey, little jump. Ha! Nice. Hey. Okay, march it out here in home base. You just learned 3 moves. We're gonna put it together, top to bottom. Starting with that grapevine into the slide and the pump and that grab. Here we go. 5, 6, 3 steps to the side. Let's go. Ha! Hey. Grapevine, let's go. Ha! Here comes the slide and pump. Slide, double pump. Good. Ha! 2 more. Ha! Hey, grab and sit. Let's go. Grab, sit. Let's add a little jump. Here we go. Jump, sit. Ha! Again from the top. Grapevine. Hey. Ha! 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 Slide and double pump. Ha! Raise it up. Ha! Again. Last time for the grab and sit. Let's go. Hup. Hey, keep it going. Ha. Ha. Nice. Woo. All right, if you didn't get all those moves, don't worry. You're gonna get another time at the end, but right now, let's focus on moving the hips. All right, find that beat again. Good. We're taking it in a circle. Let's go. 5, 6, around the world. Go. 1, 2. Hey. Other side. Hey. Let's go again. Ha. Ha. Again, let's go. Ha. All right, new move. Let's flick off that bad energy. Flick, flick, double, flick. Again, flick, flick, double. Let's pick up the pace. Ha, 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 ha. Hey, let's go. New move. Hip bump, we go. Ha, ha, nice. Hey, get those hips moving. Ha. A little bigger now. Let's go. Arms up. Ha, ha. Good. Ha. Hey. Ha. 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 Now, you can imagine what's coming next. We're doing all those 3 moves, top to bottom in a row. Hip circle, flick it off, and hip bump. Here we go. 5, 6, hip circle. 6, 7, let's go. Hey. 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 Other side. Ha. 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 Flick it off. Ha. Ha. Double flick. Ha. Ha. Again. Hey. Hip bump. Let's go. Ha. Hey. Ha. We're going again from the top. Here we go. 5, 6. Hip circle now. Don't forget to breathe. Hey. Hey. Flick it off. Let's go. Flick, flick. Double flick. Again. Let's go. Ha. Hey. Hip bump. Go. Ha. Hey. Arms overhead. Go. I think we can do it one more time. Let's go. Hip circle. Hey. Hey. Ha. Let's go. Other side. Get ready to flick it off. Here we go. Ha. Flick, flick, double. Flick, flick, double. Again. Here comes that hip bump. Give it all you got. Here we go. Ha. 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 To the end. All the way to the end. Give me more. Here we go. Ha. 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 Hey. Ha. 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 Nice. Okay, this is your official water break. We are stirring up so much energy. It's important to hydrate. Okay, this song is a little bit cardio heavy. So if you're modifying, just keep it here in home base. Give me little rocks side to side. Otherwise, jump it out with me. Here we go. Find the beat. Ha. 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 It's like we're at a festival in the middle of the crowd. Here we go. When that beat drops, pump the fist. Let's go. Pump. Hey. Other side. Let's go. Huh. Okay, we're gonna add that jump now. Give it to me now. Huh. Hey. Other side. Let's go. Here comes a new move. Raise it up, rain it down. Raise it up. Rain it down. Again, raise it up. All right, we're gonna take it on the move. Let's go. Hey, tell all your fans to stand up. Other side, let's go. Huh. Huh. Next move, we know. We all know a clap. Grab your breath. Can you make it a little bigger now? Here we go. Hey, 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 ha. And hold. You know what's next. We're stacking all those moves together one after another. We have that fist pump each side. Then we have the raise it up, rain it down. I really want you to come to camera and raise it up to me. And then we clap it out. 6, let's go. Ha. Hey. Other side. Here comes the raise it up and rain it down. Go. Hey. Ha. Again. Ha. Hey. Clap it out. Let's go. Hey. Ha. Okay, grab a breather. We're going again, twice through, top to bottom, starting with the fist pump. Here we go. 5, 6, let's go. Raise it up. Hey! Other side, let's go. Huh. Raise it up, bring it down. Let's go. Huh. Raise it down. Let's go. Huh. Bring it down. Clap it out. Ha, ha, ha. Attitude. Ha, ha, ha. From the top. Fist pump. Go. Hey. Other side. Raise it up. Bring it down. Here we go. Ha. Come on now. Let's go again. Ha. Ha. Clap it out. Ha. Hey, hey, ha, ha. All right, let's do this. Let's stack all 9 moves you did today and really burn it out. We're gonna start with that grapevine. We're gonna go into the slide and the pump, and then just follow me from there. Let's first find the beat. Ha. Hey, here we go. Grapevine, grapevine. 5, 6, let's go. Ha. Hey, hey, again. Ha. Slide and raise it up is next. Slide, raise it up. Ha, ha, again. Here comes that grab and sit. One of my favorite moves. Here we go. Grab, sit. Again, here we go. Ha, little bigger. Next, we got those hip circles. Let's go. Ha. Hey, 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 other side. We're gonna flick off that bad energy. Only good vibes here. Ha, ha. Again, ha. Now we got that jump and bump. Jump. Ha, ha, ha. A little bigger now. Okay, here comes the fist pump. Let's go. Hey. Ha. Other side. Raise it up, rain it down. Let's go. Ha. Hey. Ha. Again, raise it up. Ha. Now we're just clapping it out. Hey. Grab the breath. Inhale, exhale. We're gonna do that all again. Remember, it's the burnout. Give me your all. We got that grapevine first. Here we go. 5, 6, 3 steps, go. Hey. Again, up. Hey. Slide and clap. I mean, raise it up. Ha. Raise it up, raise it up. Ha. Here comes the grab and sit. Let's go. Ha. Breathe it out. Again, make it bigger. Ha. Hip circles come next. Let's go. Ha. Hey. Ho. Hey. Other side. We're gonna flick it off. 5, 6. Let's go. Flick it. Ha. 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 Again. Ha. Ha. Jump and bump. Ha. Bump it out. Again. One more time. Ha. 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 Raise it up. Pump it. Ha. Yes. Other side, let's go. Ha. Come to me now, let's go. Ha. Yes. Hey, one more time. All right, let's clap it out. Hey, ha, 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 ha. Yes. 15 minutes fly by. Let's do this. Please, one more minute. Let's cool it down. Let all that energy sink inside our body so we can carry it throughout the rest of our day. Everyone inhale. Exhale. One more. Ah. All right, reach the sky. Let's go. Ha. And down. Again. Let that heart rate calm. Good. One more reach. Come and lower down into that grand plie we started with. Nice little stretch. Maybe dip one shoulder down. Other shoulder down. Good. Point those toes toward me. Dip your chest down. Peek up with me in a half lift. Lower down to the right leg. One more peek back at me. Hello. Other leg. Rock to the side. Let's slowly sway all the way up to standing. Ha! Shoulder roll. Reach up. Bring it down. Round of applause for you. That was so much fun. I hope you feel full of pride and positivity for pressing play and giving me your all. I know my energy is on high, and I want to thank you for joining me and Yogi for this dance party inspired by Yogi, Sweet Tangerine, Positive Energy Tea. Bye.